If you're wondering whether you can connect the JBL Quantum 350 to your phone in 2025, the answer might surprise you. Yes, you actually can, even though the headset doesn't support Bluetooth. A lot of people think it's impossible, but there's a simple trick that makes it work, and today you'll learn exactly how to do it. So here's the deal. The JBL Quantum 350 was designed for PC gaming using a USB wireless dongle, not for Bluetooth pairing. That means you can't just open your phone's Bluetooth settings and connect like you would with a regular wireless headset. But don't worry, there's a workaround that gets the job done perfectly. What you'll need is a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Nothing fancy, just something with a USB-A port on one end for the JBL dongle and a USB-C plug on the other end that connects to your phone. Once you have that adapter, the setup is extremely simple. Start by plugging the JBL dongle into the USB-A side of the adapter. After that, connect the USB-C end directly into your phone's charging port. Give it a moment, usually just a few seconds. If your phone supports USB audio input, it should automatically recognize the headset and you'll start getting sound instantly. Keep in mind, this won't work on every phone. Some Android phones, like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, have already been confirmed by users to work with this method. But depending on your device's hardware and software, your experience may vary. Since the Quantum 350 doesn't have Bluetooth at all, this dongle and adapter method is the only reliable way to use it on a phone. And that's all you need. Quick, simple, and effective. If you found this helpful, make sure to stick around for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.